Alrighty guys, before we jump into today's video, a little bit of an announcement. Unfortunately, the subscriber meetup that was meant to be happening on the 28th has been postponed due to the nationwide lockdown. Unfortunately, there's not much we can do about it. Even if we're out of level 4, level 3 we still can't do it. So yeah, decided to pull the pin. We will be postponing it to a different date. We don't have the date yet, just because everything's a little bit up in the air. But we'll make sure to let you guys know once we've got a new date. So stay tuned and let's jump into today's video. G'day guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're hoping to do a snow trip. We got the Rangey. I was at work this morning and snow started coming down and I managed to sneak out of work. We got Matt as well and we're going to go try find some snow. So you guys saw the Old Le Bon's track video only a couple weeks ago. We had a really good fun time in the Rangey up there, and I said to Matt at the time, I was like, if it ever snows we've got to go try this track. And believe it or not, a couple of weeks later we go and get some snow. So we're heading there. We're just in Tie Tap now. We've got some food. It's chilly as. We've got snow on the mountains up over there, and we've got pies. Can't go wrong with a couple of pies, and 3 degrees, chilly as. Anyway, we're just going to finish scoffing our pies and then head over towards Old Le Bon's track and see how much snow's up there. Okay guys, well we're down at Takamatua Bay. Over that side of the port there's plenty of snow, but behind me unfortunately there is very little snow, maybe a wee bit up top. So we're going to go do another track first, just a short 2-minute one which is a bit muddy, bit slippery. We'll go over Nosy, then we'll go do Old Le Bon's track, maybe get some snow at the top, fingers crossed, and then I've got another track in mind which I'm sure will have some snow, so we'll go do that. I cannot believe how slippery this is. We've probably been going for like 100 metres, maybe even 50 metres, like barely on the track. Compared to last time, so slippery. And we only just made it last time, so this is going to be proper interesting. You know, we'll continue on. Alright guys, well we're all ready to winch. Quick time for a shameless plug. I'll leave a link in the description to those Hunter Customs ground anchors. really budget friendly, really strong, super lightweight option. Can't go wrong. Callum, one of our good mates, makes them. I'll leave a link in the description. Anyway, I reckon it's about time we get this Rangey out of here. Alright guys, well we've made it to the top. Pretty much no snow, just heaps of wind. Matt says hurry up, someone move for him. But yeah, unfortunately pretty much no snow, which is quite disappointing, but we've got a couple more tracks in mind. I cannot believe how much that track has changed. It was so slippery. Yeah, really had to work for it, and you know, as you saw, we had to crack out the winch. But we'll cruise on out of here. We'll go find another track that hopefully leads us to some actual snow. Oh, how cool! Alright guys, well, we're up on one of the summits of some random track. I don't know where we're heading, over to Port Levy. We've got actual fresh snow, first cars on it. It's so cool because I've never driven in one of my own vehicles in snow. I've only ever driven Dad's truck once, and that was in a bit of snow ages ago. So to be making my own tracks in snow, this is awesome. It's not the snow wheeling I was quite hoping for, but it's better than nothing. Oh, the Rangey's going great as well. It's real slippery, obviously, but it's just something different, eh? Real good fun.
Cold doing this, very cold, and Tim gets to drive with my nuts in his face, so it's all down for both of us.
And just like that, another video is done and dusted. Thank you all very much for watching. We had an awesome day. Certainly a bit of a novelty getting to go off-roading on a Monday when you should be working. So that was enjoyable, and yeah, awesome to get out in the snow. Certainly struggled a bit in the Rangey with the slightly worn tyres, and more so the very open centre diff. Yeah, doing the old one tyre fire means you really can't finesse it up some of those tracks. You kind of just have to give it a bootful and hope that you can break all the wheels loose and get those tyres clearing. So not ideal, but we made it up and had a lot of fun. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm not sure what the videos are going to be like from here. Obviously we're going into we're in lockdown now. Level 4, it is what it is. I've got a few ideas for videos we'll be filming over lockdown, and as soon as we're out, you can bet we'll be back on the tracks. We've got a couple cool trips planned and a couple new builds happening, so that's exciting. Anyway, give us a like if you enjoyed today's video, leave a comment down below what you thought of it, and we'll catch you on the next one. Cheers for watching, we'll see you then.